We know the most common distraction and the most dangerous distraction behind the wheel of a vehicle is the use of a cell phone. Some methods or techniques to use if talking on the phone while driving is absolutely necessary. Make sure you can use the features with your cell phone before you drive. Keep conversations short. Plan an important conversation ahead of time. If more attention is needed, pull over to a safe area. Do not have an emotional conversation. Emotions and driving present an even riskier situation. Drivers are more likely to take additional risks like speeding, aggressive lane changes, and more. If you have a passenger, ask the passenger to place the call for you, and if possible, have the conversation for you too. Secure your phone so it does not become a projectile if involved in a crash. Use the cell phone or device only if it's absolutely necessary. Ask yourself if it is an absolute emergency or can it wait. If you must use an electronic device or make a phone call, pull over to a safe area off the roadway. No matter your age or what laws apply for cell phone use, the most important technique you can use while driving is to turn your phone off or the volume down and place it out of sight so you're not tempted to use it. Secure your pets in special pet belts or carriers to keep them from moving about the cabin during the drive. On long drives, plan ahead. Get your directions set, map out your course to include frequent stops. Wait to eat, drink, smoke during these stops. Make sure you have plenty of time to get rest and take care of any other needs. Make rules for your children and any passengers that you will have in your vehicle. Address items like cell phone use, talking, seatbelt usage, and expectations while you are driving.